Okay guys, I told you I'd work through this review, so I'm going to work through some of it. Let's start with number 1. We've already talked about it. When finding end behavior, which is what they're asking us to do basically, the directions say sketch a graph for each described polynomial. So basically we need to figure out end behavior first. So our leading coefficient is positive, which tells me that my right side is going to go up, and I have odd degree, which means they're going to be different. So when you're sketching a polynomial, you're sketching a graph. So if your right side's going up and the other side has to be different, here is the graph of leading coefficient positive, odd degree. Over here, positive leading coefficient, which tells me that my right side is going to go up. And even degree, which means the same. So here is a graph of that. Number 3, polynomial has a negative leading coefficient. If you need to review this, there's a video on iTunes U that talks about this already. Negative leading coefficient means the right goes down. Odd degree means different. So if my right goes down, my left goes up. Polynomial has negative leading coefficient. So that means my right side goes down. And even degree means the same. So I could do something like this. All right, number 4 we did together. I'm not going to do it again. Number 5 I will do for you, but I'm going to use separate paper because I write too big to fit it on there. We are doing long division. Long division works every single time. It's wonderful. So let's start off. So this is number 5. And I'm going to write what I'm dividing by first. So x squared plus 10x plus 25. And then I'm going to put the polynomial underneath here. Make sure if you're missing a degree, you write a placeholder. Sorry, I'm going to get myself on the camera here. So I have 2x cubed plus 21x squared plus 60x plus 25. Before you begin, look at your, ignore the bell for just a minute. Look at your degree. We have 3, 2, 1, and constant. So now I'm going to work my way through this. Every single time I'm going to ask myself, what do I multiply by the first term on the outside to get my first term on the inside? And then I'm going to do that. X squared times what gives me 2x cubed? So it's 2x. So I'm going to put my 2x up here, and now I'm going to actually multiply it. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times 10x is 20x squared. 2x times 25 is 50x. Draw your line and change your sign. And add down. First column should clear out. Second column, positive 21 minus 20 is 1x squared. 60 minus 50 is plus 10x. Bring this last number down, plus 25. Okay, what do you multiply by the first term on the outside to get the first term on the inside? 1 plus 1. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 10x is plus 10x. 1 times 25 is plus 25. Draw your line and change your sign. And add down. So all of it clears out. This is our remainder. So our final answer is right here, 2x plus 1.